I'm hoping everybody's really impressed by the fact that we're at Doctor Who today, which is a really exciting venue for us. And we've got 11 teams here today. All 11 teams have been out into their communities, helping save their communities money, helping them be better with their money management. So today is to celebrate the amazing things that they've done and to choose 2 winners. So we're going to have a People's Prize winner today and a national winner, and both of those will go through to the UK final next month in London.
It's amazing what you guys have achieved. There are 80 teams that competed across Wales. So to be in the starting 11 here today is a phenomenal achievement, and it technically means that you are all winners. It's an amazing achievement. So I look forward to seeing all of your presentations, and I really enjoyed seeing the work you were doing downstairs.
Our project is called Being the Know of the Dough, and we created a voucher booklet for students, and the voucher booklet consisted of 16 vouchers for the local businesses.
Vouchers!
Genius!
The objectives of our project are to help learners of Blaenau Gwent Learning Zone to save money, boost trade for local businesses, and increase awareness of the importance of using local businesses over global brands.
Basically, we asked local businesses if they would be willing to give students discount, and then they agreed, so we had 16 local businesses in our voucher booklet.
We created a Facebook and Twitter page, so we promoted it on there, and then we set up a stall in the college in the atrium, and then we also had posters and everything up throughout the college so that students knew that on that day we were in the college giving out the voucher booklets.
Hello, I'm Jack.
I'm Morgan.
I'm Jamie.
And we are Seabank.
We can't believe we've made it to the Money for Life Welsh final. That's well mint. In a few short months, we've done all sorts of things we'd never dreamt we could. We met the men, Susie Davis and AM, walked through our hometown with a 6-foot bird called Delilah, and saved young people in our community approximately £9,882 on Looking Sharp.
Seabank was created to collect donated clothes for teenagers and then sell them at 10% of their original price.
We thought the teenagers spend way too much money on top branded clothes, so we wanted them to feel good in clothes and look good, but not spend as much as they do.
10 of us in my stig were so delighted with the Seabank area in the shop that they now have plans to roll out the project in all 32 10 of us stores across Wales. We are responsible for that and saving young people like us in my stig nearly £10,000. This is the start of something massive, a revolution in the way young people shop, and we started it.
Thank you for listening.
The name of our project is DOSH. It stands for Defining Our Spending Habits, and we set out to help students between the age of 16 to 18 on saving money. Our challenge was to reach as many young people as possible. Through communication channels, we were able to keep our audience up to date with our event information, give our social media followers money management advice, and engage with our audience bilingually.
We've had a really positive response. We initially set out to impact 100 students. We actually directly impacted 300.
So it was mainly students that we were targeting, so we give information about loans, grants, bursaries, and where the support is available.
After Money for Life, we hope to continue DOSH by continuing to post on social media, our English website, ac ein wefan Gymraeg. We'll create a YouTube channel posting videos about money management. We will also take our big event to schools around the country. This is only the start of DOSH, so watch out.
Gym 5 for Money. We've opened a gym in Cross Keys campus, and we've charged people £15 per term that go in. But we've saved people thousands of pounds just by doing that.
We started by inducting ILS students, which was very tough at first. It put us well out of our comfort zone, but it was a great experience for us and good preparation for us looking to advance within this industry.
In just 3 months, we managed to save the ILS students about £4,966.50. Mainstream students, £4,386, which comes to a total of a massive £9,352.50.
Everything went according to plan. We had great feedback. It was a brilliant opportunity, and we gained a great deal of confidence from it due to its importance.
Basically, the Radiate project is it's like an energy saving. It's rated these like
panels, like foliage panels that go behind the radiator, and it reflects heat back into the room.
Radiate is a unique project. There's no other project like us. We work one-to-one with families in their homes. Free reflective radiator panel service. Practical saving tips for reducing families' household energy use.
What I enjoyed about this most was like meeting new people, and the best thing about it is for me, I got a traineeship out of it, so it's a good experience.
Not only did the young people gain, families gained, and will be also an annual saving every year, but on a bigger picture, it's about where we fit in. Our families saved 9% of their footprints. So it's actually good saving for the world. So think smart, save smart, get Radiate.
We're the Wales Illegal Money Lending Unit, and we investigate and prosecute loan sharks throughout Wales. Financial capability really is one of the answers to stopping loan shark activity. We have been inspired by all of the projects.
Well, it's been brilliant to be at the Doctor Who experience. I mean, I love Doctor Who. I've been watching Doctor Who since I was, goodness knows how small. But it's been great to see the enthusiasm of the young people, such innovation and such passion about managing money effectively. It's been absolutely brilliant today.
It's been so good to see the young people pull their projects together and share what they've achieved over the last sort of few months, share it with the wider community and the organisations who are here. But it's also been good as well for them to look at different ideas that they can take back to their local communities, hopefully for the future.